Carpetbagger steak with the smoked mussels. Now I've got here 700 grams of sirloin steak. This is about 350 grams each. So, and here's one can of smoked mussel. Now we have heated up a pan. We'll heat up a pan and add one blob of butter. Then I'm going to fry the garlic, onion, and then the smoked mussels in that, and make a mixture. So in the meantime, I will cut up one, make a pocket in this steak. So you keep the fat here, and the other side you make a pocket. Don't cut it through and through, but till the fat. On both, and then you will fill it up with this mixture once it has cooled, and then with some toothpicks we will close it. I've got a similar recipe for carpetbagger steak with the oysters. So we got this pocket. Now we'll keep it. Now in the meantime, what I'll do is I will just marinate this with some rock salt and pepper. You don't require any big spices, only rock salt and pepper. Now you got pepper. If you don't have this crushed pepper, then you can add pepper powder. There's no problem. Okay, that's done. Now you keep this aside. Now this butter is melted. Now I'll add garlic and the onion. Fry it in for about a couple of minutes, then add the seeds to it. Add some chopped coriander leaves. I mean, this is optional. If you want, you can add it, or parsley, and fry it for a couple of minutes and put it out. If you want, you can add little pepper powder on that. I'll add about half teaspoon. And put it out. Now once it is cooled down, then we'll fill up the steaks. Mussels, seasoned mussels. Stuff inside the steaks. Close the steak pocket and use a toothpick and I've sealed it now with the toothpick. Yeah. Heat a heavy bottom pan and add one blob of butter. When the butter is hot, then we'll add the steak. So after about 3-4 minutes, 4 minutes, turn it around and try the other side. Frying on the other side for another 4 minutes. Turn it to the side and slightly let it fry on the sides too for about 2 minutes. Now place this on a foil, close the sides. Now place this in a preheated oven for about 20 minutes. Coming from the oven now. The steak, and you have so you have the steak. So when you open, this is how it looks in. The mussels.